Set A, B and C have some elements in common. So clearly it's a question of three sets. So I'll quickly draw the Venn diagram for this question. This is the first circle, second circle, and here we have the third circle, and a universal set to enclose all the three circles is right here. Now ABC have some elements in common if 16 elements are in both A and B. Let's call it A. B, 16 elements are in both A and B. So understand that this particular region is 16, right? Now 17 elements are both in A and C. If this set is taken as C, then 17 elements are common in both A and C, which means we could say that this particular shaded region is 17. Now, so 18 elements are common between B and C, so 18 comes here. How many elements do all the three sets A, B, C have in common? Let's call it X. Then the question is asking the value of X. That means the number of elements that are common to all the three sets. Now, we're going to use the same diagram. So let me quickly copy this diagram for the first and second statement. Now, we have the diagram for the first statement here and for the second statement here. Now let's look at the first statement information. The first statement here says that of the 16 elements that are both in A and B, 9 elements are also in C. That means out of A and B, the elements that are common to C is this part, which means clearly this statement says that X is equal to C. And if X is equal to C, if X is equal to 9, because these are common to all, so X is equal to 9, that means this statement alone is sufficient to answer the question, which means we are left with only two options, option A and option D. Now let's look at the second statement. The second statement says A has 25 elements in total, B has 30 elements in total, and C has 35 elements in total. Now that we have understood that A has 25 elements, B has 30 and C has 35, we can take the union of them, but the only problem is that we do not have a number to equate them with, and for that reason we do not have sufficient information because we can't form an equation, and therefore the second statement alone will not be sufficient to answer the question, and the final answer to this question will finally be A option, because the first statement alone is sufficient but the second statement alone is not sufficient. Thank you so much.